Morning children, how are you? Welcome to our virtual class. In previous class, you already learned about different kinds of plants. Now all you are aware of various kinds of plants. You learned what are the different roots, what are the importance of plants in our life. Yes children, you learned everything, no? So now our new topic is related to plant only, but that part is very important for the plant. I think everyone guessed what is that. So it is nothing but leaf. Okay, you learned already in the lesson 2 now children. So in this lesson we will learn about leaf. So our topic today is lesson 3 leaf. Okay. In this lesson you will learn detailedly only about the importance of leaf, what are the functions of the leaf, how it plays an important role in preparing the food for the plant. Everything you learn in this lesson. Okay. So first we will learn detailedly about the uses, importance of the leaf, and how it differs in size, shape, and texture. Okay. First you can see the picture here. By seeing, I think you understood what is this. First, in middle part you can understand it is a stem. For the stem, various branches have been erased. For that you can see there are different green color part. What is that children? So here for this branches you can see various green color part. Those are called leaves. So these green color part are attached to the branches. They are attached to the branches. So those are called leaves. So so many leaves you can see for the plant. Next in detail we will learn about only the structure of the leaf. You can see the structure of the leaf. So why it is green color? Because chlorophyll is present in the leaf. Children, now you learn the spelling of chlorophyll, I think children. Once again I will repeat the spelling. CHLOROPHYLL, chlorophyll. So this will make the leaf to appear in green color. Okay. So chlorophyll also plays an important role to prepare the food for the plant. Next, this is important part for the plant. Leaves plays an important role in preparing food for the plant. Okay, now you understood this, all the functions, how it plays an important role. Now we will go to how it differs in shape, size and texture. Okay, so now I will show you few leaves. Okay children, now I will show few leaves here. You can see different sizes. You can see how this size and shape differ with each other. Now I am showing here, you can see. Next I will show. You can see one more kind of leaf. This differs in sizes, shapes. All leaves are not in same size. Now next you see this. You can see children, you can see the variations. You can the size is differed in each leaf. Like this you can see various leaves. You can observe in your surroundings. You can pluck different leaves and you can observe the size, shape, structure, color also varies. Okay. Now you can size. Few leaves are big. They are very small. As I showed just now. See, this is very big. Few leaves are very small. Okay. All will not be same in size. Okay. They will not be same in size, color and texture. So I think understood what are the different how the size of the leaf differs in different how it differs. You understood, I think. Now we will learn about uses of leaf. So I think there are many uses of leaves. So in that we will learn few uses in this lesson. Okay. So in ancient times, in olden days, saints means you know children, the people who used to sit near trees and they used to do some rishis. You can see that all they want to communicate. They want to write something on the something they want to pass the communication. But in olden days there are no books or anything to write. So they used these leaves. So saints used to write on the difficult for us. They want to write and pass a message. So they used to use the leaves for writing purpose. Next, you can, in southern parts of the countries, mostly they use leaves for serving the food. Okay, you know banana leaves, children? I think everyone have seen banana leaves. If you want to see this, you can watch in near your areas. In villages, it will be more. So the banana leaf is very big, children. It is very huge. Okay, on that, this banana leaf they use for serving. They use for serving the food. Okay, they use for serving the food. This also plays an important role. Why? If we eat on this, it is also good for health. Okay, there are some values in this, nutritional values. It will improve our health also. So it is very useful. They prefer in olden days mostly this banana leaves to eat the food. But nowadays no one stopped using this banana leaves. But if we start, it will improve our health. Okay, in all things you can even you can see in the festivals also. They will serve the food in the banana leaves. You can, if you go to temples also, you can see banana leaves. They use instead of plates, they prefer for banana leaves. Okay, children. So I want to end today this topic. What we learned: leaves, uses of leaves, size, shape, texture, and what are the uses of leaves. Okay, children. So next topic I will be coming next class with the medicinal values and different uses of leaves. Okay, children. So I will send you. I will send you any activity, or I will show few videos related to the topic, and you have to read the textbook, children. Today you have to open the textbook. You underline few whatever the words you feel difficult. You open today lesson 3 leaf. You observe carefully the leaves, sizes, shapes, and you complete till here. You underline the new words and you read the spellings. If you want, you can collect also. I will send an activity for you to collect various leaves showing size, color, shape. Okay, children, be careful. Thank you. Have a good day.
Leaf. Now let me tell you about another part, that is leaf. Do you know that leaf is also called as the kitchen of the plant or the food factory? Well, it is because it prepares the food. Do you know why does the leaf appear green? It is due to the green color pigment called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll traps the sun's energy and along with carbon dioxide, air and water makes the food. Let us study the parts of the leaf. It has a flat broad part called as leaf blade and a main vein passing through the center. Also, there are present many small lines called the side veins.
The fingers. Do all of them look alike? Are they of the same size, shape, everything? Not really, right? Similarly, in different kind of plants, they have got different kind of leaves. So let's find out what are those. What happens when you go to a park? Well, you see a lot of greenery around you. Different kind of plants with different kind of leaves, fruits, flowers, everything, right? Now, if I tell you to look at these 4 pictures, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do they all look alike? Not really, but you will be surprised to know that all these 4 pictures are of the leaves of different plants. So, the different plants have got different kind of leaves. So, let's see what are the different kind of leaves that we find around us. First is the spear shaped. Look at this. What is this? This is a spear head. If you look at it carefully, you will see that it has got a pointed end, right? Similarly, some leaves also have got pointed ends and they are spear shaped. So where do you find such spear shaped leaves? Well, you can find it in plants like mint. Mint plant has got leaves which are spear shaped. They have a sharp end. Now, if you look at your hand and you spread your fingers, it looks like this, right? Similarly, if you look at a papaya plant, you will see these kind of leaves. It is just like the fingers which are spread. So, these are known as hand-shaped leaves.